Hi, this is Jens from LunaLista. This video is dedicated to Zoom, how you use the LunaLista TV device that can look like this or different, how you can use that with your Zoom meetings. The TV device is typically located on the back of your TV or underneath of it, so look for it there. You can actually connect a video camera to the TV device. I'm going to show you one. This is from a Logitech. It cost around $80 plus minus on Amazon, and I just found that it works really well. There are two microphones, so you can actually hear if you have stereo speakers at the other end where the sound comes from. And then the picture quality or video quality is just excellent. It works every single time, so I really recommend this one. It's called Logi 920. Okay, so look at it on Amazon. It's not that expensive. So, and you can connect it to the up there to the TV in case that you want to show. So let's say you have an external coach, and you can see the coach on the TV here in a moment. But the coach would like to see the audience, your office. So you have the camera pointing that way. You can also obviously have it pointing towards you if you are in the office and you make the meeting, but you also want people on a distance to see what you're doing. So for that, I recommend that you buy it's called a USB extension wire. You just put that, you plug the camera into that. And then the other end into your TV device. 20 feet of this will cost you plus minus $15 on Amazon. Now you might want, so if you have it on a distance, you might want the camera to be on a tripod. And the great thing with the camera is also that not only can it be behind it, connected to the TV, but you can also put it on top of a tripod. So I found it just works really well. So I'm going to connect it, and in a moment, I'm just going to put it here on top of the TV, so you see the wire. And then I'll plug it into one of the USB ports on the TV device, wherever you have a available USB port. So you plug it in. All right, so good. So far, so good. We will now make the Zoom meeting, and I do recommend that you don't have the listing presentations open. There are two ways you can close it. So you see the desktop here. One is that you click the Windows button, and then you select here under Other, and you can see Close Browser or LunaLista TV. You can do it that way. There is another way, and that is if you, on the keyboard, you click hold the Control button, and then click the W button. Then you close it as well. I have made a quick guide that you can glue on the back of your keyboard. Find it in the LunaLista quick guides area, or I can put it on next time I visit your office. But this one have all these quick features, hints, tips. So we are now ready to do Zoom. There are two ways you can go into Zoom. One is where you click the button here, or again, you can use the Windows button and then find Zoom down here. It will be under the sound and video. So either one will work. You see it just like on your computer screen. So you most likely you're going to join a meeting, or you sign in and you create a meeting. It works completely like you're used to on your computer. So join a meeting. since you must already have an invitation, then you enter the meeting ID in this case. This is my meeting ID for this specific demonstration. Yep, and here you can then type in, so in this case I would say office demo, but it could be your what your office calls itself in your chain, or so that you know, so they know which office have now logged on. Okay, so I'm gonna click join, and then we need the meeting password, most likely, and I'm gonna type that in here, and then I click join meeting. Now, if you obviously, so you can see it works. I'm here, it films on the other direction. Obviously, you won't see any of this if you have not connected any video camera to your TV device. So I would just click join with video, and then, you know, you want to listen to the sound that comes out. Oh, I know that gentleman there. And then I am here. So it is filming from the TV towards the audience. You do the meeting. Eventually, you leave the meeting, and you click leave here, down here, and leave meeting. So, so let's say that you are then starting the TV rotations again. Oh, let me just do that. And so I didn't close the Zoom meeting because some officers I noticed forget to do that. So next time they want to go in, and then next time they it might and might not show up if you click the Zoom. It did it this time, but let's say it does not show up here, and then you think nothing works now. Well, it is actually working. So again, I will recommend that you close the rotation here, because you want to have that new be part of this new Zoom meeting. In this case, Control W, close it. So what you can see here is it will be down here. Can you see this blue one? That indicates that it is actually still going on. Well, you're not recording anything, but you never really went closed the Zoom meeting. So so you can either click here and then join the new meeting, or if another, maybe even easier method is simply that you again click your Windows button, and then you go in and you say under other, you can see reboot. Oops. Or you click the off button on the TV device and then on again. It'll just reboot the device and you're good to go. That would be if you cannot get this one to pop up when you click it. That's it. I think this video will also be in your quick guides area within LunaLista, and I will also make some graphical illustrations of what I just talked about, so you quicker can do this Zoom stuff. But it works really, really well with Zoom. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening.